guys, back with another video, only this time a bit of a different one, because last weekend while I was driving I got a check engine light warning on the dash, so I panicked a little bit, but luckily the car was behaving fine and not out of the ordinary, so I drove it home and yeah, parked it in the garage, and luckily my nephew had an OBD2 reader, so he came over and he checked the code. The code was P0011 and P0010, which are basically the intake and exhaust variable valve timing phase adjusters, or the solenoids. He cleared the code and we took the car for a drive, and the fault codes didn't came back luckily, but just in case we're going to replace the solenoids. So if you guys have the similar issue or you need to replace them as well, I advise you to buy the GM ones. The OEM one solenoids from Alfa Romeo are really expensive, and the GM parts are exactly the same and work perfectly, and they are a lot cheaper. I will list both part numbers in the description of this video. So yeah, let's replace the solenoids. Solenoids, the intake, exhaust, and these both have to be taken out. So they're both fixed with one bolt, so we're going to take these two out. see there is a little bit of dirt on there. That might be what is causing the issue. So the 2.2 GTS is running. Now do a little test drive, see if the codes stay away, and then everything is all good. So guys, the solenoids have been replaced, and I think the fault code may have come from a little bit of gunk on the intake valve phase adjuster. So I think that cleaning them might have been sufficient, but my car is done now, over 155,000 kilometers, so I thought better to just replace them. I took the car out for a drive, and luckily the codes of the failure codes haven't come back, so it all looks good. The engine also feels more responsive, less hesitant, and it seems to be running a little bit smoother, so yeah, that seems good. Yeah, anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next video. Bye.